Are you a web developer looking to take your projects to the next level? Perhaps you're interested in mastering responsive web design, or you're just starting out and want to learn from the ground up. Or maybe you're a freelancer seeking a practical tool to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Welcome to Bootstrap Training. In this extensive training, you'll immerse yourself in Bootstrap, the backbone of many successful websites today. This training covers everything from developing mobile-first projects, utilizing CSS classes, to integrating Bootstrap with other libraries. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.